Hi Hippie Kids. I thought I would read you a story. This is a new book that I acquired a little while ago and I really enjoyed it. I thought it was a really nice story, so I'd like to share it with you. It's called Night Noises. Lily Laceby lived in an old cottage in the hills. Her hair was as wispy as cobwebs in ceilings. Her bones were as creaky as floorboards at midnight. Her only companion was a fat old dog called Butch Aggie. People who lived nearby said Lily was nearly 90, but they were just guessing. One wild winter's evening, as Lily Laceby sat by her fire, snug and warm, she drifted off to sleep and began to dream. Butch Aggie dozed at her feet. Outside, clouds raced along the sky, playing hide and seek with the moon. Wind and rain rattled at the windows and trees banged against the roof. Click, clack! Somewhere in the distance, car doors opened and closed softly. Butch Aggie listened. I think he's listening. But Lily Laceby kept on dreaming. Can you see what she's dreaming about? Crunch, crunch! Feet tiptoed up the garden path. Butch Aggie cocked her head, but Lily Laceby kept on dreaming. Murmur, mutter, shh! Voices whispered in the bushes. Butch Aggie bristled. But Lily Laceby went on dreaming. She's dreaming about when she was younger, isn't she? Squint, peek, peer. Eyes peeped through the keyholes. Butch Aggie's throat rumbled. But Lily Laceby went on dreaming. Look what she's doing in her dream now. She's riding a horse. Twist, test, rattle. Hands tried to turn the doorknobs. Butch Aggie bared her teeth. But Lily Laceby went on dreaming. Nick, knack, knock. Knuckles drummed on door frames. Butch Aggie leapt up, growling. But Lily Laceby went on dreaming. Fists beat upon doors and voices shouted at windows. Yell, clatter, bang, bang, bang. Butch Aggie barked and barked. Look, she's trying to protect Lily. Lily Laceby woke up with a start. Who is it? She called. Who is it on a night like this? It's only us. Let us in. Let us in. Who do you think it is? Creak, crack went Lily Laceby's knees as she got to her feet. Nick, snack went the bolts on the door. Ready? Surprise! Happy birthday! Put the kettle on! Ha ha ha! Kiss kiss! Happy 90th birthday! And in came all of these people, look. Her 2 sons, her 3 daughters, her 14 grandchildren, her 35 great-grandchildren, her great-great-grandchild, Emily, aged 4.5, and her 47 friends. 47 friends! Surprise! For she's a jolly good granny. Happy birthday! Are you really 90? Whispered Emily, aged 4.5. Lily Laceby held her hand and smiled. "Inside, I'm only 4.5 like you," she whispered, "but don't tell anyone." That's a lovely story, isn't it? It reminded me of all of our friends at the nursing home and how they feel when we go and visit them. Hope to see you soon, guys. Bye.